Did you know that 98% of your website visitors leave without converting? Without a follow-up system, you're leaving money on the table for your competitors to steal right out from under your nose. Hi, I'm Maria Peagler with Maria Peagler Digital, and we've helped clients reclaim over $100,000 in lost revenue with marketing automation and sales pipelines. Would you like to get more customers, increase your profitability, increase your conversion rates and your ROI, all while decreasing your cost per conversion? You can, using the power of email marketing. Want to see our results? Here's an example. We built a marketing automation for a client that generated over $110,000 in just 6 weeks. Want the details of that case study? Click the link around this video and you'll get that case study absolutely free. You'll see exactly how we generated that revenue for our client.